Day number 2. Good news, overnight parts from Japan have arrived, so we can go ahead and get the clutch bolted up, pressure plate on there, and get the transmission all together. First step, get this baby back out. I know, this is weird. The whole thing is to get this in the car. It's already in the car. Basically, I just needed a place to put it yesterday, and this was really the best place, the safest place to leave it. So, we'll pull this back out. It takes 2 minutes. Go ahead, get the drivetrain all put back together, and then get it back in. Pretty solid day. So while I was waiting yesterday for the bolt, so while I was hunting around for the bolts yesterday, I went ahead and mocked up the alignment here of the pressure plate. The tricky part with these flywheels is it doesn't have any of the little nubs that you can use to align this. And it's actually really tricky since it's drilled for multiple applications. It's tricky to get all 9 holes lined up. I managed to get it, and I just went ahead while I had that and went and marked this so that I can line it up later on. Next important step is to just clean everything off here with some brake cleaner. And I always use the clutch alignment tool, it just makes it so much easier. Go. So today is my birthday as well, and if you can hear the playlist in the background, that'll probably give you a clue as far as how old I am. I'm a little bit older than maybe some of these other YouTube channels. That's okay. So as you can see, the way that this adapter plate works, it leaves the bottom of the flywheel exposed, and I'm not a big fan of that. So what I've done is I've done a little cardboard template here, and essentially just kind of mocked up a shape that would cover that and fit nicely. And I'm now going to go ahead and transfer it over to metal. Looks pretty good. This should work out okay. Alright, so I've got the finished piece right here, and I just threw a little undercoating on there and some etch primer on the back. Fits up great, does the job, and it didn't take too long to make. Okay, moment of truth. We did it, accomplished the goal. Engine in the car with the transmission on my birthday. Everything went all right. I did have to pull it back out one time to make a little extra clearance for the starter on the passenger side, but no big deal. Got it in here, we're bolted up, and we're ready for the next step. Thank you so much for watching. Keep tuning in. Up next, we're just gonna finish getting the rest of the stuff put together here in the engine, and also get a jump start on the wiring so that we can actually turn it over. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.